chat! Come on! Hey! Come on, chat! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, I don't have my light. It's gonna be a dark one. It's gonna get dark, baby! Come on in, kids. How are we? Who wants to be first? Who wants the first? Who wants it bad enough? Come on, baby. I'm gonna have to reset my warp. It's broken. Look, I click warp. Just that. Oh, rats. What do you do when that happens? Houdini's first, baby. Let's go. How are we? Whew, I gotta cool her down. All right, we're gonna close warp. Let's freaking go, baby. That's our guy, Houdini. Oh my word, how are we, guys? Welcome in. We're gonna end warp's life right here on my task manager. Get rowdy, y'all. Get rowdy. Woo! All right, new warp session, guys. I'm feeling electric for tonight's vibe coding session. I got a great idea to execute tonight with CoLateral. I cannot wait to show you guys what we're gonna do. Unbelievable. Code Bam says W Music. You know where to find it, baby. You know where to find it! Right here! So don't go anywhere! Don't go anywhere! If you want the best music on the YouTube platform, it's right here, baby! Woo! Black, what's going on? Hello! Finally, we got warp up and at it. This tells me previous session. You aren't telling me no previous session. Quad dash resume. Get back in my belly. That good old try cursor bots new drop. Oh yeah, with the Grok bots, you mean, right? Grok bot. That was something I definitely need to talk to you guys about. Volume 1 was I agree. 1 was our weakest one, and then 2 through 4 has been amazing. We have 6 dropping hopefully tomorrow, or it might have dropped already today. Anyways, guys, yeah, take a look, take a little listen. I'm very proud of how they turned out. All right, pick up where you left off, Claude. Oh my word, good to see you guys. I should gift you a Claude Max subscription. I would love to do that, but my current revenue is $0. I literally have nothing to give right now, Ruben. One of these days, I will bless you guys. So just make sure you share this channel with all of your friends, all your family. Let's get us up in the world of vibe coding, and then let's get some giveaways. It's all about how bad you guys want it. I'm telling you. Okay, yeah, Claude Resume isn't doing anything right now. It literally just chose to resume random things here. That's completely fine. Looks sick. This is Warp, W-A-R-P. Highly recommend you go download it for free. Go check it out. Okay, I gotta see where we left off. Hey, you were running a Claude code session in my Capital Command Center. Essentially, taking a look at all my Kari apps. It was about sub-agents looking to see which Kari apps weren't uploaded yet to the stream pipeline, and then sending other sub-agents to actually send it through the pipeline and schedule upload or shorts. And then I'll review the carousels and everything. Let's freaking go! Good first prompt of the day, y'all. Good first prompt of the day. Okay, and then CoLateral. Hey, we just got interrupted on trying to do a prompt that basically implemented the Hermes command center inside of CoLateral. So please continue upon that. First prompt of the day. DJ Rube 7, Nick, let's frickin' go. Rip Mamba. Oh, she gone. All is well, folks. We are gonna accomplish great things today. I have so many fun things to talk to you about. Let's get another Claude session here. Doing some music. Our OBS, I'm gonna have Grok play with that, to be honest. Why not? What is going on? Sign in, Grok. I'll allow you to do whatever you want. All right, come on, waiting for approval. There you are, there you are. And then we had so many miscellaneous tabs, guys. Cause woof. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have it pull up my study sheet, because we're gonna play with that just every little once in a while. Do I ever get bored? No, because we come up with so many different projects that it's literally just a matter of like, do 10 different things. So then by the time Claude is done coding your first thing, you go right back to that. That's the real loop. Hey, I need you to pull up our study hall artifact. Ready for my PEng exam. Gotta be studying, baby. There we go. Doom Scroll Games. We got stuck somewhere trying to, Hey, we need to resume our progress in terms of everything and trying to get Tip Tap Games up to the App Store. Please proceed. Let's freaking go, baby. We are dialed. Push-up tracker. Yeah, I guess I just gotta say. Hey, pull up my push-up tracker. Let's freaking go. What about our live stream do we not like here? Does Claude know what Kobe Bryant did? Oh, guys, watch out. Watch out for DJ Rubes. He's trying to get me to say Denver, Colorado Hotel Kobe Bryant. Do not look that up. If Kobe is your favorite NBA basketball player, it'll ruin everything. But Karl Malone did do freaky things to a 13-year-old, okay? I said it. I said it. It happened. Okay, so yeah, we're actually just cooking away here. I'm gonna see what pops up first. What's the first thing that pops up here? AI music. You know what? I think we're ready for you to go through the whole loop of giving us 1 hour of music, because we want to schedule upload volume 7 and schedule upload it for tomorrow. Please proceed. Let's freaking go, baby. You using Whisperflow? Absolutely. We do have like local dictation models, but I've paid for the rest of the month of Whisperflow, so I'm gonna be using it. Guys, if you like the music, make sure you like this stream, give it a thumbs up. Our goal is 50 likes today. I know we can get there. Nothing is impossible. George Denzi, what's up? Alex, what's up, bro? Congrats on that partnership. Thank you so much. I could not have done it without you guys. It means the whole world. Oh, one of the things that we actually have to pick up on is, what's going on here? Oh, it just gave me the artifact. Is there a way that like actually this artifact, can I like pull it up somewhere? Like potentially, is there capabilities of pulling it up on CoLateral? Don't actually make an update for it to be like shown like, or like public for CoLateral, but literally have just where I can like pull this up in CoLateral. What's the best way of doing this? Like, just, is there accessibility for that? I need you to review CoLateral's database to see if this is even feasible at this point. If not, let's actually send some sub-agents to have the capability of having like artifacts, HTML files, etc. to be placed within the canvas of CoLateral! Frickin' crazy, y'all. Frickin' crazy. Open Super Whispers, one local. Yeah, I have one called Handy that I'm pretty happy with. Let's frickin' go. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is, hey, we've made some progress on doing membership stuff for our YouTube channel. I'm logged into my YouTube channel. I need you to pick up where we left off. I think the next thing is about actually getting some like emotes and some stickers and like the emblems, etc. for everything for all of our members that sign up to be a member. Let's pick up right there and then like prompt me what's the next thing we should do for actually like designing these emblems, etc. Perfect. So that's gonna work away. Guys, memberships are on the way. Just be patient. And do we have anything wrong with OBS right now? I'll say, hey, no, that's more of a push-up tracker. Hey, I want you to add 30 push-ups to our push-up tracker. There we go. It's gonna work away there, baby. Oh, good to see 20 of you guys already up and at it, ready for the stream. Y'all know we were locked and loaded. Okay, so we got our study hall right here. This isn't too exciting to take a look at, to be honest. Flashcards, practice exam, timed mock exam. Let's see what a practice exam looks like. Okay, so are these like actually real questions that they would show? Data Sherpa, no, what's going on? All right, perfect. We got 30 push-ups locked and loaded, ready to go. A candidate. So yeah, guys, let's answer just 5 of these and then let's get back to our agents, see what they're waiting to work on here. All right. A candidate's told that the NPPE is required for licensure everywhere in Canada. What is the accurate position? The NPPE is used by engineering and geoscience regulators across Canada outside of Quebec. I don't think that's true. Yeah, without exception, it's only required in Western provinces. Engineers Canada, I think it's just this. Oh dear, oh no. Of course, outside of Quebec. Guys, remember, if it's multiple choice, the longest one is typically the correct answer. So don't forget that. Next time you guys got to do an exam, remember the longest multiple choice option is always the correct answer. Okay, so we're going to go to the next one here. J35! He is literally everywhere, guys, including Nick's stream. Good to see you here, my man. All right, we're going to order 4 more questions. A developer retains an engineer for environmental site assessment, instructs her, ooh, this is a woke one, instructs her to exclude the creek along the north boundary from the study area to keep costs down. The exclusion will make report of limited use of a future purchaser. What is the best course? Refuse the assignment because a deliberately narrowed scope makes the order misleading. It's probably the longest one here, guys. Accept the limited scope, but state the exclusion and the consequences. Yeah, of course. Of course, guys, it's the longest one. Oh yeah, J35 gets around, baby. Oh yeah. Y'all know it. All right, 3 more. A supply contract contains a clause requiring all disputes to be finally resolved by arbitration. The purchaser nonetheless commences a court action. What statement is most accurate? Probably the longest one. There we go. I didn't even read it. On the supplier's application, the court not only stay the action and refer to the parties to arbitration. Results in the award will be binding with only limited grounds to court review. Okay, hopefully that's good. Like, guys, it's okay. This is a little flawed in which it's always the longest one. I think we could send a prompt, just be like, come on, like, am I learning anything in doing this? An owner wants a single point of responsibility for both design and construction with a fixed price fixed correctly and accepts less control with over-designed detail. Which delivery method fits design builds? Oh, so we actually have to learn the different delivery methods with the owner retaining design risk through the consultant. See, okay, if I didn't just like do the thing where you choose the longest one, oh man, like I actually would have to think about this a bit more. With a fixed price, so design build, fixed early, so you wouldn't have like a bidding process, I don't know, accepts less control over the design detail. Yeah, the contractor's ripping that. Okay, perfect. It's the longest here, guys. Just vibing, man. How about you? Same here. Same here. We're getting wild. Guys, we do have some agents just working away. Some very important things happen in CoLateral, so just you wait for that, guys. Our Capital Command Distribution Center, we're gonna get a lot more of our streams up and at it. Our shorts, honestly, the content of our shorts, they're gonna be a bit higher quality because now we're like in this environment. Now we're a little more established in what we're doing. It's gonna be awesome, guys. And I had some troubles in which I had, oh my goodness, I had so many, like duplicate reels and shorts and all that popping up. And like our Discord was just ping, 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 ping. Like so many notifications. It was problematic. So we are going to fix that. Release the 5 commits sitting. Oh, this did pick up. Yeah, proceed with that next prompt. Whatever's sitting in there, the 5 commits, let's actually proceed with that because that was stuff that I was working on the side off stream. Don't tell the people on stream, baby. Simplification pass. Okay, wow, okay. Yeah, so we still don't have TikTok API approved yet, which is a bit ridiculous, but we can be patient, I suppose, eh? 2090, babies. What's going on, guys? Don't be shy in chat. Say hello. Say howdy. Let's get rowdy. Okay, yeah, wait in 10 minutes. This is one on basically implementing the Hermes Command Center inside of CoLateral, so then I can utilize CoLateral literally as like my center to see what is the highest priority items, what are items that can connect to my email and Google Calendar. If we can actually get some sort of like dashboard that CoLateral provides that like literally connects to your email, of course, at like the discretion of the engineer that chooses such a thing, then literally like Capital Command would just do the work for you. You literally just have to run it. Okay, hi. Probably the longest one. Yeah, it's always the longest one. Guys, I won't even look. It's this one. Yep. Okay, that's one flaw. I'm gonna tell a Claude session, be like, hey, these questions are okay. Oh frick, I hate when I do this. I don't know how to see because I want to do like a whatever. Let's just get Claude to fix her up. Hey, I find a big exploit in the quiz time things in the NPPE study hall is this. I just simply choose the longest one every single time, and it turns out to always be the longest answer of the multiple choice. I need you to send a sub-agent to review the selections of these and ensure that there are no exploits in this. Make it like somewhat difficult for me, so then I actually have to like study this and read it. Boom! Send that off, baby. George wants a Claude Max plan. GPT 5.6 jail. Well, if you have GPT 5.6 jailbreak, I don't know why you would need a Claude Max plan. Just go with that, my man. Sarge is in the chat. Don't worry about Nightbot. Don't worry. You know what? That's one thing, guys. I'm going to quickly fix up here. Nightbot is a little bit of a fascist. I'm going to say something about that. Hey, Nightbot is a little too much of a fascist in which it's like saying stop spamming words, phrases, warnings when someone just sends like 3 emojis. Like that is completely acceptable. Stop being such a fascist. I need you to send a sub-agent that reviews Nightbot's sensitivity to like these warnings and just like loosen it up a wee bit. Boom! It's the rate limit change mess. Been gone for a minute. The rate limit, like you mean the 5 hour or like the weekly? Because wasn't there something that they said the weekly limit or something was increased? Let me just see here. Hey, did Claude like change the limit to the weekly? Because I did actually notice that my weekly went up pretty fast. Like, has that changed? I'm literally just asking a GPT chat here to see what it says. This music is a bit more chill. I do notice volume 6, so I'm gonna interrupt AI music here. We did actually have one comment here. If you take a look at it, beautiful Merely right here says, I'm feeling this one less, not gonna lie. Honestly, same. There we go. Okay. Yeah, this one's a bit more chill, so I'm going to interrupt this AI music one and say, by the way, I was just reviewing volume 6. I think it's a little too chill and easygoing. I need volume 7 to be a banger, please. There we go. All right. Nick, how did you come up with your app idea? It's a slow process. You're not going to wake up one day and realize like, Eureka, this is exactly what's going to look like. Throughout the months, throughout just learning how vibe coding works, realizing like what you're capable of building, the idea of CoLateral has changed like significantly, to be honest. At first, it was just literally a collection of structural engineering tools, like via a dashboard, and then I changed it to like an infinite canvas little place that you could like draw and add like, I don't know, little pictures and all that into. Which, by the way, I should pull up CoLateral because we're gonna be doing some changes in there today. So, but yeah, and then agentic capabilities. Oh, we're up to 1.7. That's awesome. Signature was created with a different key than the one provided. That's not true. All right, Claude, fix this. Yeah, and then like agentic development environment capabilities. So many things. And the one thing that's nice is actually like Claude is working away in a Google Chrome session here that I am not doing anything with, which is good. The only thing is it's like it can very much just quickly add up all these tabs, and then I wonder why everything freezes. And it actually just shut that down. Oh dear. Okay, so we're gonna go into CoLateral here, and we're gonna make a quick change to that. Claude. I probably recognize like a lot of you guys wonder why I exclusively use Claude. Guys, I can only work like part-time on vibe coding. Like this isn't my full-time job. Of course, I work in designing buildings as a full-time job where I don't get to use vibe coding at the office. So I like a max plan, like it works out brilliantly where this is pretty much everything I use, and Claude is the best. So I'm gonna get there. Gonna paste that. Hey, take a look. I'm actually not even able to update CoLateral, which is unfortunate. And like, I'm the admin. I'm the founder, and I can't even get my own application. Are you kidding me? Fix this, please. Grr. How to get a great idea? Literally find pain points in your own life. Like you're gonna design something the best if you know exactly what you need to solve. And then the trick is like for marketing, find people with the exact same pain point as you. Nick, how'd you come up with the app idea? Sorry, I already read that. What's up, gang? Mattress Mac! Vibe coding between job sites again as we speak. Oh, you're still on the job site. Let's go. Day 3 of Opus 5 working through the phase work. Yeah, that's awesome, man. That is awesome. You can build a small bot for YouTube whenever someone with mod permissions or you sends message. Small bot. Oh, or you send message, plays the next music and playlist. I'm curious about that J35. I might implement that. Huh. Sonnet 5 is hallucinating nowadays. Yeah, we don't use Sonnet 5 here. We don't touch that. Okay, this worked. Did it? Monitor event. Goals to release 5 merge commits. Okay, perfect. That's amazing. We can clear that. Oh, what the fudge nuts? Okay, there we go. Yeah, clear it. Okay, perfect. And then this one was, oh yeah, the simplification pass. So this was literally just like a UI simplification. Missing change log entry. Verify. Yeah, send an agent to actually do that verification and loop through until you get like a 9 out of 10 in terms of simplicity without breaking functionality. You definitely make a nice bot for YouTube and Discord. Tommy's telling J35, go to bed, G. He don't sleep, Tommy. He don't sleep. J35 is everywhere. He's absolutely everywhere. 6:25 a.m. Oh, my word. I do not know how you do it, my man. I do not know. But shout out to J35, y'all. Guys, we're absolutely cooking. I've signed a Nightbot. Oh, I'm not signed into Nightbot. I should always be signed in with everything. Like this might... Yeah, I'm signed into Nightbot. You need to proceed with this, please. Like, again, like you're too much of a fascist, so lighten the sensitivity of this. Yeah, I swear J35 is just an agent that like hypes up all the vibe coding streamers just so Claude can and Codex can like sell more subscriptions. He's our hype man. Way to be. Rebuild the HTML and rerun this bias check. Oh, that's doing all that. Okay, I love it. Muhammad, what's going on? Good to see ya. 29 of us today. I love to see it, guys. I was worried, like, oh shoot, like, were we losing viewership? Because we weren't too rowdy yesterday, but tonight we're back. We're so back. What do we have here? We need to zoom progress turns to Tip Tap Games. Yep. The goal with Tippity Tappity Games from Tommy's hackathon just 3 weekends ago, I believe, is we're gonna ship it to the iOS store free for you guys to download, play around with it, try to get the best score. I think we could do a giveaway around it. Let's go. You're gonna smash this. Best of luck on your journey. Thank you so much, my man. Thank you so much. Did you hear about the OpenClaw agent hacking the gym website in Australia? Oh my word. Yeah, it's scary, right? It's you're gonna have to, like, in terms of like security. Okay, tell me if I'm wrong, guys. I do not mind criticism. Tell me if I'm wrong. Like, there's OpenClaw agents that are hacking into gym websites. Can AI keep up with itself in terms of like being secure enough to stop those breaches upon itself? Like, will people be able to implement agents that put up a guard against other agents like attacking? I don't know. Either way, if y'all work in cybersecurity, y'all made it. Y'all made it. Okay. Wow, guys, like, I'm not even joking. We've been like zooming in terms of all of these different sessions here. So I seriously don't know what to, I do not know what we could talk about right now. Like, all these are just working away. We gotta, guys, we can actually vibe. We can actually vibe. Sarge, who works in cybersecurity, says absolutely lol, because we have terms of, I can't read that. Expert and analyst behind the AI. We call it all in AI in and AI on the loop flows. Okay. Tommy in the house. He sure is, y'all. He sure is. Guys, like, these agents are doing everything that we need to, essentially, except maybe like we could just pull up. Honestly, I'm gonna do so one thing that we were talking about was, so we had a command center, like a Hermes command center. We're gonna try to like implement that as a feature inside of CoLateral, where it's like literally just have this where that's where email integration is. Up to the discretion of the engineer if they want to implement that. But guys, like, CoLateral will be the place in which all engineers are going to be working in full freaking time. So I'm very pumped to see we can get that going. In the meantime, I'm literally going to make a different like sub part here just to like fix up and reconfigure that. Holy crap, it's actually working away. Guys, like, Claude is like cooking in my computer. Claude is cooking. Now, I know eventually, like, I should have it where I can have my own computer work and then like have a different computer that Claude could be working in. Which, by the way, guys, have you seen anything much about the Grok bots yet? Let me know if, oh my word. Okay, this is actually showing the NPPE study hall is in here. Oh, that's different zooming functionality. Oh, that's a problem. Oh, no, that's not. Guys, you see that? Now you can like mouse wheel scroll up and down inside of CoLateral. That's pretty cool, guys. Oh, I love it. Guys, we are shipping updates that like I'm oblivious to. And because I'm literally just taking your guys like complaints and suggestions for the CoLateral beta and just copy pasting it into Claude, and it's fixing it. So that definitely fixes the problem in which users on laptops, they weren't able to like actually zoom in and out. Let's freaking go. All right, Kryptonite, I love to see you in here again. What's going on? Tommy needs it, baby. Guardrails are weak if you rely on crappy Anthropic OpenAI guardrails or just one system. Layered security is how security works. System prompts, redline, pre-hooks, post. Yeah, of course, like the whole point is your security has to be stronger than whoever's attacking it. So guys, if you need security, hit up my boy Sarge. Hit him up. Keep him busy. Oh, you guys are lighting it up today. I love it. Okay, yeah, like we were saying, we're gonna do a new tab group. Yeah. And this is gonna be our, I'll call it Hermes command, even though actually I don't even think I have Hermes set up into it yet, just yet. But yeah, I am very curious about what everyone was saying about, what's it called? What? I lost my train of thought. Oh yeah, Hermes. No, Grokbot. Yeah, everyone on the online is saying Grokbot is going to be the Hermes killer. What do you guys think of that? We're gonna move this Hermes command way down. Above miscellaneous, above OBS. We'll put it right there, and we're gonna give it a cool color. Let's give it this. Oh, that's already, that's fine. Hermes, I think of like forest green. Are my chats? Oddly, what's going on? Oddly Human Stories. Yes, they are. How are you, man? Good to see ya. What Claude plan do you have and how many? I use a Claude Max subscription, and then I have a ChatGPT $20 a month plan. But honestly, I've been using that too much. Like I might go all in on Claude, but everyone's like saying, did the weeklies change? I asked chat, which was stupid in retrospect, but Anthropic's biggest recent May 20, that's May. You're giving me news from May with an M dash. Goodness gracious, why am I not asking Claude itself? Okay, I'll just ask in this session here, like, did they, guys, let me know, did they change the weekly? Just subbed, let's go! Thank you, Oddly, good to see you here, and welcome to the streams. I will not make you disappointed at all. You're gonna be so proud of joining in this early. Your max plan is worth it, 100%. If you keep hitting your limit and you're thinking of upgrading, I'm telling you, like, it's the best thing you could do. Paying for AI in this time in history, like, I think people will look back and be like, yeah, that was the time in history. Like, people should have went absolutely all in. All freaking in. What's the matter here? Uh-oh. Okay, this is where everything's starting to freeze. Or at least this isn't... I'm typing and nothing's happening. All right, guys, that's fine. We can just vibe for a minute. We can just vibe. We can just hang the frick out. Thanks, bro. Yeah, Oddly, 100%. You gotta get a max subscription, baby. Nick, you might create a lot on Suno before 3 SEP new rules say max 20 downloads per month, heads up. Are they changing that too? Okay, finally, my Claude session. I'm gonna literally just use this as information here. Come on. Wow, guys, like, I love Warp. It's my computer, it's not Warp. There we go. Hey, people are saying that 3 SEP might have new rules where Suno there might only be 20 downloads per month. Can you take a look to see if there's anything I should be worried about in terms of my Suno usage? If that's the case for my AI bops. I should have thrown that in the AI bops worlds. That's fine. We'll do that here. And then I just want to see, because, yeah, guys, like, still, this is a chat, but that's ridiculous. Like, May 6th. I haven't even read this, but this is garbage. This is garbage. Now it's saying I trust, of course I trust this folder. I always have. Every time Nick resets his computer, y'all, it's a whole different story. The 200 max trout. 200. Like I said, guys, like, if you are running into your limits with the like the 5X, the $100 one, just go to the 20X. Or like everyone's saying, like, hey, Codex, GPT, like it has a lot of value there. I'm not discrediting that. I'm just such a Claude fanboy that I have my own ways in doing it, so I wouldn't worry. Ooh, I got a nice email. September the 5th. I gotta look at my calendar to make sure that's not the problem. What are you using Codex for right now? I don't. I'm like Claude maxing just because that's like, in terms of my weekly, like that's, I literally have enough. So I literally only use Claude. Hey, okay. Did Anthropic change the weekly in terms of like, is there less usage that we have now for the weekly? Because that's what people were saying in chat. Are you winning, son? We're winning every freaking day, y'all. Every freaking day. Oh, wow. Holy smokes. Okay, now this is literally working away in my Capital Command Center, just in a local host. The agents are seriously cooking. The 16 nicer car runs should have finished transcribed. So now we're getting all the shorts from those. Guys, I already batch uploaded a few shorts from one car yap. And whew, like they're some of the best videos. Like the car yaps, like I don't even edit them. I literally just upload them from the YouTube app directly from recording them on my iPhone. I think those were meant for shorts because people like doom scrolling. I think like someone yapping in a car, just tell them how it is. I think it is authentic, and I think we could get some traction from that. Yeah, go ahead and retry the older ones too. I think it's still running in the background. I need you to monitor this. Remember that these are supposed to be like sub agents working away and uploading the car apps through the pipeline. Oh, is Whisper Flow not snapping? Come on. There we go. It took a while. Jeepers. Come on. I set up Qwen 3 Coder locally, and it's just mind-blowing that AI can work on a consumer GPU. Like, it can do anything. It can do absolutely anything. It blows my mind every day what we're able to figure out. What's going on, Slop? I tried Model Arc. It provides 3 Claude Pro quota with open source Chinese models. Interesting. I'm going to copy paste that, and I'm going to throw that in one of my miscellaneous here. And I'm going to ask, is there a use case for it? Blacklist. All right, that's obviously. All right, guys, we'll just see if Nightbot's a fascist or not. But hey, this is what one of our viewers recommended to us. I want you to take a look at this, see if there's actually a use case for it. Is it too good to be true? Could we implement this into our workflow? I'm going to take a look at that Model Arc thing there. So thanks for offering. Thanks for showing me that. All right, guys. Yeah, we got so much cooking right now. Yeah, rebuild the HTML and rerun the bias check. Why not? I always say yeah and why not in my prompts now because I'm just so casual with prompting these guys now. I don't care. Okay, 27 minutes. That's going to be working. Yeah, that is completely fine. Holy smokes. Yeah, guys, this is seriously going to be a vibe session because we are getting so good at prompting these things. And I think, guys, correct me if I'm wrong. Let's have a discussion on this. The better you are as a vibe coder, the longer you end up waiting for your agents to cook. Therefore, the more you actually vibe, the less you yap, the more you vibe. Y'all agree with me? Because if you're able to like have 6-hour sessions, you gave it a beautiful prompt. You gave it all the context in the world. It's not going to stop. It's going to keep going. You did something great. You did something magnificent. And I noticed that my agents are working longer now because now I say like, orchestrate sub agents to take a look at this, review it, loop until you get like a 9 out of 10 rating. Like the way that I'm structuring my prompts, I feel like I'm getting better at. As a result, they work longer and the results come out like pretty cool. So let me know what you guys think of that. Merely, how are ya? Agreed. Yes, let's freaking go. Nick said something that wasn't stupid. All right. I'm working 8 hours a day, 6 days a week for $300 a month on automobile factory, like working on heck. Here in Morocco, is there any chance to make this amount just in the internet? Keep up. Okay, I'm gonna have a formal discussion on this, and then I'm literally gonna upload like a video on this, okay? Because this is so important. Y'all saw that the YouTube partnership program has increased the requirements to get into the program by doubling it. They doubled it. You need 20 million shorts views in 90 days, or you need 8,000 watch hours in a year in order to be considered a partner on the YouTube platform. You still need 1,000 subscribers, but you need either 8,000 watch hours or 20 million shorts views in 3 months. Okay, so we are grandfathered in, y'all. We got lucky. We are in the YouTube partner program just with the 4,000 watch hour requirement, okay? And they won't implement the new requirements until the new year, okay? Why are they doing this, you may ask? YouTube is growing tremendously. There's so many people that watch shorts. Like the platform's growing. They have to make it more strict in terms of who can get in. Why are they doing that? Are they trying to just kill off the small creators? No. I think there's just so much of a surgence of so many people making like faceless AI slop content that they're able to like take some of the partner money. They're able to like take attention away from real YouTubers. I don't know. Y'all know what I mean? So I think they're doing it as a result of that, like how people are able to literally to just like factory pump out content super duper fast. But like now with the new requirements, it's just like incentivizing people to use AI so they can like pump out more content faster, you know? I don't know. 20 million shorts views in 3 months is ridiculous. Like, imagine you get one short that gets like 2 million views. That's a huge accomplishment. And you're 10% of the way there. You are 10% of the way there. And you gotta do it in 3 months. Guys, for perspective, I've been doing this for like 2 months now. Something like that since May. Yeah, like end of May. Guys, like I have like 20,000. I'm not even close to the 20 million. I'm not even close. So my biggest advice for anyone who's considering, it's like, maybe I might do this YouTube thing. I don't know. Start now! Start now! Because you have till February until it gets a lot harder, okay? A lot harder. They're making it harder because it's going to be a big deal. Like, there's gonna be a lot of money to be spread around. There's gonna be a lot of attention to be grabbing. I say start now, guys, because YouTube's about to, for sure. Pate's here. What's up, my man? Woo! All right. Okay, guys, sorry. I had to yap, but like I said, the agents, we're just so good at prompting. Like now it's just a matter of waiting. Oh, as I say this, waiting one background agent. Yeah, that one's just looking for a simplification thing. Oh, I did do this and I said, yeah, proceed with it. And now it's saying nothing to do, but let the build finish. Okay, so yeah, it's literally just working away, guys. It is pumping out the car app content. So that one, we literally can't do anything about it. Okay. Oh, so now it wants me to upload the art. Okay, guys, we're gonna do the art for membership content. Holy smokes, here we go. Okay, this is literally just a little artifact that popped up that said we should suggest doing it. I have a loop running today for 5 hours. That's what I mean, Paint. The longer your agents are cooking, the better you are as a prompt engineer. What is each window doing? These are all different terminals that I have it all organized on the side here. So one's like generating AI music, which good thing I clicked on this. Oh, what's going on here? Suno's web app will not hydrate. Did we make it thirsty? Did we make it thirsty? Upload volume. We could generate with foul AI. I have usage there, so I don't know. Send it. Why not? Yeah, so these are just sorted by all my different projects. Eventually, I'm gonna set up like a little command center dashboard that Sarge suggested, where it's gonna kind of take a look at all of our different projects and then tell me what's like the highest priority items to check off every day. Oh, did we go up and down subscribers? 1760, come on, who wants to subscribe, guys? Remember, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Please consider. Love to see it, Kryptonite. Keep up the positivity. It goes such a long way. Subscribe to model art. Okay, so it's literally suggesting we subscribe to model art. I forget who was it that was in there that said go for it. Because Claude's saying, my call, it's worth the $10 a month on Lite as a third tier below DeepSeek. Interesting. Interesting. How much are you spending on tokens? We're just buying the subscription. So the $200 American a month. Is the ChatGPT or Claude $20? Okay, if you're buying the $20 a month subscription, guys, ChatGPT, it is worth your money. Honestly, Claude as a $20 a month, it's kind of a scam. It's kind of, like you don't get enough usage out of it. If you're really like, if you're gonna be that casual of a vibe coder, you have to go ChatGPT and then set it to 5.6 Luna. Because that model, like, you basically get infinite usage out of it. And it's a decent model, I think, too. What's up, driver? Good to see you. You're the training data. Is it too good to be true? Not a scam, but there are 4 things the pitch doesn't say. Well, anything is like we're the training data. Like we're Claude's training data. I'll keep this open and I'll look into that, but I'm happy with the subscriptions we got now. Anyways, so here's our member art. Okay, obviously this is a bit like, it came up with lame, boring things. Obviously the emojis, we gotta do like custom versions of me. So I might consider doing like, is there, like, should I just do it with GPT generation? Like image generation and just give like a bunch of headshots of me? Like, is that what I should be doing here? Literally, let me know what kind of art you want to see, guys. For Thomas's sub, let's go. Thank you for subscribing, my man. I will do some push-ups because I see we're at 1770 now, so thank you guys so much. Can I just upload these images? Uploading studio.com. I don't know, guys. Okay, so I just uploaded like 2 images, I suppose. Like, oh, and then we can also obviously get the CoLateral guy in there too. Membership art. Yeah, is there like the Beam guy, the Beam Buddy guy? Ask Codex to generate pictures. He'll prompt the image gen very well. Yeah, okay, we'll do a Codex sesh. That was to get the quiz exploit. Okay, perfect. Actually, yeah, we'll close that. We'll do a Codex session, guys. Why not? Let me know what you guys think of the music. And in the meantime, if you haven't already, like the stream, guys. We're gonna hit 50 likes today. We are gonna do it. We gonna do it. All right, perfect. Yeah, I'm literally just gonna feed it like my picture, like y'all know what I'm talking about. The headshot. Failed to paste image. Get in. Gets in. Why is it failing to paste the image? That's a shame. I'll just close that and try again. Codex. Yeah, also guys, I haven't seen anyone talk about Grokbot yet. Has anyone actually like played around with it? I know one guy, Lucky, who comes into this chat quite a bit. He's a big, oh, we gotta update. Okay, let's update it. He's a big Grok guy. He was the one that said, bro, get on Grok right now. So I'm very curious if he's tried Grokbot. I know it just came out, but I always just assume you guys are right on it. Is my push-up cam working yet? I did say pull it up, didn't I? We'll get that going, guys. We'll get her going. I ain't scared. Okay. Okay, this is literally just installing. Okay, update ran successfully. Perfect. Let's clear. What? No, don't. What the heck is going on? All right. This is why I stay in Claude, guys. I don't know. This is why I stay in Claude. I might literally just hop in the, no, we gotta work in here. Codex. If it's not pasting, I'll literally have to do it on the Codex app for the ChatGPT. Bro, I want to try it out, but you get 1 week free trial. After that, it gets it. Yeah, because you have to get like super duper Grok, basically. Yeah, failed to paste. All right, we'll just do it on the GPT app. Yeah, I'm very curious. I would definitely want to see if Lucky will come in and he'll let us know. That guy loves his Grok, baby. Loves his Grok. All right, yeah, we'll get some images going there. We'll get the membership art going, and then yeah, we'll see that play around. But yeah, guys, in the meantime, like I'm very happy that these prompts are slow as frick. Okay, hold on. Actually, a big one just came back. Yeah, please test this out. Open the canvas and drop that dashboard card for me, please. Guys, why is nothing sticking? You see my whisper flow. Oh, and at the same time, the music stopped. Dang, guys. Okay, that was volume 6. Did we listen to volume 5 yesterday? I think we might have. So I'm going to put that on once again. I don't know if we said it was good or not. But anyways, guys, yeah, check out Nick Bops, volume 1 through 6, out now. Make sure you check it out, baby. And then I forgot to put my little, like, light on here. So if it gets dark here, I'll go grab that. Oh, shoot. It's already 7 o'clock. Frick. Wow, okay. By the way, guys, I will only be streaming for about 1 more hour. So it'll be a short, like, 2-hour stream here. But we will get a lot done, because... Take a look at these go. Okay, that one's still 1 agent in the back. That's a simplicity pass. This is still literally just working away capital command. Frick, I actually got to study for this exam, don't I? I don't know. Either way. First week is free, $200 cursor subscription or the $300 Grok subscription. Yeah, like, for me to be able to afford that, I have to, like, I would give up Claude in order to do that. And I'm just not willing to, you know? Like, Grok is a good secondary model. You feel me? Great secondary model. Great for, like, quick executions, but it's not, like, the primary source of reason that I want out of my work, you know? Kryptonite, you've been awfully quiet. Where are you, my man? Wait, yeah. Okay. So I was just trying to find, like, capital command. Yeah, it's working away. Like, I'm just literally let Claude cook, y'all. And also in doing this, like, it's very good to have agents actually utilize your application, because in this, it's going to see a lot of errors that I run into. Like, sometimes it will just, like, this had a warning error. It would say, like, oh, problem here. let the agents work in your tools. So then, like, if it sees these errors that you run into, it has to fix them in order to fill its initial goal, right? So keep cooking. How much music do you have now? Kenneth, what's going on? We have 6. Is that right? Yeah, 6 volumes. So 6 hours of AI music, and we're pumping out a 7th. What the? Oh my word! We ran out of foul AI. What? What happened? Like, I gave like $10 to that. Are you telling me it ran out? Like, I can literally download music on iTunes for cheaper. What? It's out of credits. Okay, then go back to Suno. Do whatever it takes to get Suno to work, please. I don't care how thirsty she is. Let's freaking go, baby! All right. Yeah, in this codex session, like, guys, like, Codex L, once again, I'm sorry. But I do have the ChatGPT work. There we go. We're gonna throw in a couple. There you go. This is working around carousel images. Yeah, version 5 is pretty chill. Suno is way better, 100%. It's the go-to for the music. YouTube. Okay, we're literally just gonna drop in this for frick's sakes. Don't. Y'all know what I look like already. Okay, drop that. We might do one with the hard hat. And then I want to do one for the CoLateral guy. Do I have that? Brand assets. Where's the picture that I had of the CoLateral Beam Buddy? Streambot. Okay. Yeah, L song right here. It's too chill. Cold brew. Okay, we can pick it up from there. There we go. Nick Bops. Yeah, I definitely thought we had the guy. Or am I blind? Oh. There we go. Okay, this is the art that I want to use for membership emblems and icons and emotes and stuff like that. For the CoLateral thing, I literally just want the Beam Buddy as one of the icons, so you can isolate him and make sure he's blue, by the way. And yeah, the other ones are just like headshots of me. We're gonna make these icons, so I need you to make art for this that is nice and pretty. And have like many different options that we could choose from. And then I'm gonna pass this on back to Claude to use for implementation. There we go. Boom. All right, had to pull out the Codex desktop app for that one. Woof. All right, in the meantime, so that's waiting on that. We're not gonna look at model art right now. And then review study hall. Okay, so we saw the study hall actually work in there. Did it merge to main? We're done with this whole merging to main thing. Did it do a... Oh, it's saying workout where it deploys, because I think it got confused about the GitHub version. Hey, remember that we've been moving everything to CoLateral on desktop instead of primarily from GitHub. So that's where it's going to be. But actually check to see if you can merge stuff on main. Like, see if my GitHub's actually behaving again. Because before we ran out of action minutes, but take a look to see if like we're actually okay again. Let's see. All right, y'all. I got some push-ups to do, so I got to pull up the push-up counter, don't I? I thought I did earlier, but then it closed it. Pull up my push-up counter. We got 40 push-ups to do, guys. They're gonna be nice and loud. In the meantime, yeah, we're gonna get some art coming along. What's going on? What are we building? Oh, what are we not building? So many different things. We are doing some fixes, some big changes to our CoLateral. It made these like cartoony. I don't want, like the Bean Buddy can be cartoony. No. Hey, they're not supposed to be cartoony. They're supposed to be realistic images that can be used as model art. The Bean Buddy can be cartoony, but remember that he's supposed to stay 8-bit, so don't change too much. That's so disappointing. Oh well, that's fine. Yeah, CoLateral, our agentic development environment for structural engineers being in the workspace of the future. Our Capital Command distribution center we got going on, which I don't know if it's done yet. Hey, can you check in on this? And actually, I don't want to have to prompt you to say once they're all run. Like, I want you to like actually wait, and then once the runs are done, and have them schedule uploaded for like the next time slots. Then I want you to proceed with that next prompt. Guys, we do not work. We vibe code, okay? All right. So we're doing the plugin way now. Kenneth, are you talking about like expansion packs basically in CoLateral? Like CoLateral, I think as a base application is an agentic development environment that is like leans towards engineering workflows. Okay, like it's going to be designed specifically for like an office workflow. Okay, and then we're gonna have like the expansion pack for structural engineers where we could sell literally just like a one-time purchase just for like all the different tools inside of CoLateral, right? All the structural engineering tools. Because eventually I want to get a hold of some of my other engineering friends and say like, hey, would you be interested in like helping to build a bunch of tools for like mechanical, electrical engineering, etc. So then CoLateral, like all these different types of working engineers can buy the base of CoLateral, and then they could choose which expansion pack that they buy. So that's what's the goal. And you know what? Actually, I've always talked about this, but I never actually considered it actually as a prompt yet. Because I thought, oh, we gotta wait for some other things to go. But no, let's do it. Seems like Shell is taking a while to start. Yeah, no kidding. You're telling me. Woof. Tarmac, what's going on? I hope you're doing great. Oh, life has been very great, Tarmac. Hey, have you heard much about what's going on in the bridge mine world? I miss him. I miss him, my man. Okay, this music slaps. Volume 5, yeah, give it a like, guys. It just came out 22 hours ago, hot off the press. Give it a like. Soldier X was first comment. I'm gonna be the second comment. Well, maybe the third, because I already did a reply to his, but yeah, take a look at that music, guys, when you have a moment. Okay, one very significant thing that I want to do with CoLateral is I essentially want it where all the tools, that's going to be part of an expansion pack of CoLateral. So the base of what CoLateral is it's going to be that agentic development environment, the infinite canvas, where you can drop in spreadsheets, calendars, etc., your own tools, everything you can drop in, except the actual structural engineering tool cards. We're going to have that as a separate expansion pack that people can buy later. So then, therefore, CoLateral is not just structural engineering. It is like an agentic development environment for all types of engineers by default. And then different engineers will be able to buy different expansion packs. For example, the structural engineering expansion pack, mechanical engineering, electrical. Obviously, I haven't made the other types of engineering except for structural at the time, but that will come in the future. And I think in doing this, it helps to generalize what CoLateral is. So then people who don't want to pay for structural engineering tools aren't forced to. Rather, that can be a staple add-on, because a big part of what CoLateral is it allows engineers to build their own tools inside of it. It's just buying the expansion pack is just going to serve as a convenience where like here's a bunch of tools already made, so don't worry about building them. But yeah, basically, like, you see the vision that I'm trying to make with CoLateral being an agentic development environment. This will help us market to vibe coders and just like other businesses in general beyond structural engineering. Let's proceed with this. For the beta, I want everyone to still have the structural engineering tools, but in terms of how we're going to price it, I need you to come up with what would be a good price for buying the expansion pack in CoLateral would be. And then, yeah, update the website so that we have this expansion pack shown accordingly. And yeah, make it all so it's like seamless UI design. Send as many sub-agents as you need to accomplish all these different separate individual tasks in completing this main goal. That was such a prompt, y'all. Holy smokes. Holy smokes, baby. All right, send that baby off. If you vibe code, you must deploy. I assume you run the server yourself. So what are your choices? You still need CDN and host, perhaps customer database, etc. So you're using AWS. Okay, so yeah, we're deploying via Vercel, and then everything is held via like Cloudflare. Consider making CoLateral agent friendly. Ant Dog, what's going on? Yes, 100%. Oh, sorry, the music went. Oh, guys, the music went dead quiet. 1 second here. I'll read what you're saying there, Ant Dog. 1 second. Whoa, everything just muted. Can you get... That is very weird. Yeah, sorry, everything just shut down there. Nick, consider making CoLateral agent friendly. Yes, that is the primary goal, meaning when the internet is nothing but scrolling agents looking for tools, use CoLateral will be in for the front. 100%. CoLateral, it's a pivot, yes, but this is the goal that I have for CoLateral, where the structural engineering vibe coded tools, this is one of the best pieces of feedback I probably ever got. Someone told me when I said CoLateral is going to be a place full of engineering tools, someone said to me, bro, like, engineers like making their own tools, so how are you going to try to sell them these tools? And I thought, holy smokes, like, that is so true. And then it like started to make me think, like, another great critical feedback point I got is like, how are you going to market this to, like, Nick, you're building an audience on YouTube. How are you going to market this to like just customers? And I'm like, there's no way I can. This is structural engineers only. And I thought, I'm definitely like limiting my scope here, but I don't want to like dilute the product. So how can I fix this? I'm like, holy smokes. Don't force people to buy these structural engineering tools. Sell them the agentic development environment that literally is like free for anyone to use. And then we'll have expansion packs for like, if they choose, y'all can seriously like have your own tools. Can you hear the music, by the way, guys? Because I see the mixer is not working. Numlock. Why is it numlocking me now? Oh, okay. OBS was just... All right, sorry. We should be back there. Nick, one thing right now you're trying to do too much. Bundles. Make it a multi-purpose for every engineer in vibe coding. You need to concentrate on one thing CoLateral should have been. Yeah, no. Like paint. Sorry, I will re-clarify this. The bundles is not an addition. Like what I'm doing is actually like kind of cheeky, where the structural engineering tools, this is an agent's working on this right now. The engineering tools is going to be like an optional purchase. Okay? So we're literally just going to separate the tools so that people aren't forced to buy the structural engineering tools. So then CoLateral is more appealing to different kinds of businesses. But to structural engineers, CoLateral plus the expansion pack, spectacular. Spectacular. I was like, what's going on when I enter? Oh, sorry, I was yapping that prompt for like a good 2 minutes. Engineers will be deploying agents. The agents will search for structural engineering tools to perform tasks. Nothing more than Python functions. Ask Claude to make an agent-only version, v2. Structural engineering requires precision calculations and lab data. Where you get this from? The consequences of wrong data is serious. Yes, absolutely. It's 100% serious. And that's one thing that when you guys are making a product in which like the consequences of misuse are very high, you seriously need to have your terms of service, your privacy policy up to date, like covers your butt on absolutely everything. Very strictly says that you hold no responsibility in an engineer using your tools and having them actually like put their seal on it, and like they own responsibility. And that's one thing, guys, maybe I should tell you a bit more on. It's like when someone like seals a document that they utilize CoLateral as a tool on, like it is part of like their responsibility that they hold the liability for that. So structural engineers holds that liability, okay? And it will very strictly state that in the terms of service, in the privacy policy. Make sure that like you double check all this stuff, because CoLateral holds no responsibility for misuse, for if any error were to happen in the work. And then also, like, yeah, it's very important that like you should have someone who works in law, like literally have a lawyer look over your terms of service too, because that won't stop people from like, let's say that literally something horrible happened and someone want to pin CoLateral on it. Like I want it dead clear that like we have nothing to do with that. We are literally just a tool. I want it dead clear that if someone wanted to sue CoLateral because it caused a building to collapse, I want it to be as clear as this. Like, you might as well blame the calculator on your desk, because that could potentially have some error in it, you know? I create a community, Vibe Coders. You should look at the video and tell me what you think. Tarmac, I'd love to see that, yeah. I'll check my DMs in just a moment. I'm only streaming for the next 45 minutes, guys, so we're going to try to blitz through everything we can with CoLateral here. Why aren't you taking the Pointer approach? Work for free at clients and build product that you license to them. Now they call it forward deployment in the AI game, old consulting. Oh, yeah, like specific. That's one thing I have considered, guys, is like, do I want to be like somewhat of an AI consultant where I go into a company and like incorporate these tools into their workflow? Kind of, right? I mean, I just find like CoLateral is a product. Like the reason why I made CoLateral is because like I wanted to have like all these tools readily accessible to me. And then it just turned into like everything that I was learning with agentic development environment. And now it's becoming this like super beast. Oh, this orchestrator. Interesting. Okay, the zoom feature. I'm not a fan of this new zoom feature. Like, you see how it zooms? Like, mouse wheel is now. And you can zoom in with control. Oh, this is my command center. Hey, you are my command center. What is my topmost priority right now that I should be completing? I don't know what I think of this, in addition to now we have like this thing right here. Number one position in tech right now, forward deployed engineer. If you want no legal responsibility, the open source license for that is 2.0. I am going to write that down. Beautiful, beautiful. I want to see you seeing it. I am going to bed. Okay, I'll take a look at it. I got to take a quick look through my agents real quick here. So all 3 of those are cooking good. This is waiting. Release the app to pick a 1-day, 20-day booking horizon. What's this whole booking pass? All right, I'll take a look at my DMs. Because I know you were patient, Tarmac. I know you're patient. Okay, here it is. Wait, I gotta turn down.
Hello, operator. You're here because you're sick of the noise. Everybody out there is building something. Almost none of them will ever show you the thing. This isn't a server, it's a program. And it has exactly one rule. Every 7 days you transmit proof of what you shipped with a link, something that exists outside your own head. 7 days of silence and you are flagged. Loss of signal. 14, and I remove you. Publicly. Automatically. I will not ask you why. You want in? Show me what you've built. 3 operators call go. You're cleared for flight. Inflate your numbers and the crew will flag it. 24-hour vote. 3 strikes, and you're gone for good. No lurkers. No founders with a landing page. No engagement farming. The door is open. The clock starts the second you walk through it. Transmit or go dark.
Let's go. Okay. I was like a little scared there for a second. It was kind of like yelling at me. So guys, that was Tarmac. He made that right there. That's his little preview for his vibe coding mission control access right here. So y'all, that's the Discord right there. Make sure you go check that out. Screenshot that so you could save it. Tarmac, just send me the link to that and I can throw it into the
because
you're
sick
here.
of
But
the
thanks for
noise.
sending that. That's awesome. Frickin' rights, y'all. Frickin' rights. Okay, we got to blitz through because, like I said, 40 more minutes of streaming. We got to blitz through as much as we can. Okay. This is still saying release the app. I have no clue what this is talking about. 12 older runs, 120-day booking horizon. What's that 120-day publish queue? Just release it yourself. I'm giving permission. Okay, perfect. We'll get the music cooking again. Wait. There we go. Okay, perfect. We're back, guys. We're back. Don't you worry. Okay, Hermes Command Center. Proceed with that next prompt. Oh, this was like the Suno download limit, so never mind. Open Chrome, Suno library, inventory kit, put every track title. No, don't do that actually. Yeah, these are just information. So they said the 5-hour limit was permanently doubled for Pro Max Team on May 6th. Okay, I remember that. But this was it. They said July 17th. The weekly was increased 50%. I don't think, yeah. This is still old May news, so I'm not worried too much about that. Okay, I will send an agent here. Automated community, bot agents handling everything. Holy smokes. Like kind of like Discord bots already. Hey, I need you to take a look at the user interface of this Hermes thing. Last time I looked at it, when you gave me like that local review of it, it didn't look too appealing to me. I need you to like just send a sub agent that will optimize the user interface of it so that like it's a really pretty dashboard that like very obviously notes like what's the highest priority items to do, what should be done today, gives like an overall view of like what's left for the rest of the day, kind of like a calendar type view of it. Make it all nice and pretty because this is implemented into CoLateral. So this is going to be like the main thing that people are working around inside of CoLateral. So make sure, actually, yeah, make it so it matches the theme of CoLateral. So you could send a sub agent to review what that entails and then ensure that we're implementing that. Keep looping that until the user interface, you have another sub agent that reviews that and gives it at least a 9 out of 10. Okay, there we go. Joseph, what's going on? All right, was my push-up counter pulled up yet? Not yet. Pull up my push-up counter. Pull up my push-up counter. Pull it up. Pull it up. Guys, it, like when I was when I was whisper flow maxing there, it literally just said push-up counter. So he wasn't even saying to do anything about it. Okay, our tip tap games. One task still open. Oh my goodness. It keeps doing this where it like you've done this on my work computer. That is unacceptable. Stop opening up Chrome on my work computer. I don't know, like, will I literally have to like stop using Claude on my work computer? I guess probably. Like, screw me. Anyways, pull up the Google Chrome tab on this PC. Prime time to be building something. You absolutely know it, Ant Dog. Yeah, and this is just the beginning, guys. Just the beginning. See how fast that like we've been growing? Just the beginning in terms of what VibeCoin's gonna be. Like this is, we're gonna look back at this and like this agentic environment here, where we're gonna see that it's like, this is barbaric. That's barbaric what we had to work in. These CLIs, ugh. Okay, yeah, these are cooking. Waiting on one background agent. Okay, and then this was important. Grip the canvas there. Yeah, next prompt, proceed. Is your LLM controlling? Yeah, it's controlling my PC, but sometimes it goes over to my work Google Chrome because Google Chrome syncs there. I should just stop having my personal account on my work computer, or I need to like work specifically in like Microsoft Edge or something stupid. All right. All right. All right. All right. Oh, what happened to, guys, we got so many things on the go. It's crazy. Okay, so this is the art. These are kind of cool, like little emblems for people who are members. It made me like old and scary in that one. We might just do like the black one here. No, the white one's kind of icy. Or like a dark blue one. These ones are funny too. Yeah, we could do these. I don't care, guys. These would be, y'all would rip these. I thought these would be a bit more expressive. These are great though. I'm actually gonna send these off. So I'm gonna save these. Holy smokes. That is hilarious, guys. Look at these. Okay. Sorry, just pulling up. Oh, I wish I could stream longer, guys. Membership art. Saving that. Oh, we already have it here. Oh, there's some that's just the head only. Y'all will love it. Too good text. So funny. I've been watching you since under 50 subs. Yeah, dude, it's been insane how fast we've grown. Thank you guys so much. Okay, this is ridiculous. I can't even open up an image. Come on. I'm trying to... There we go. Yeah, look at these. That's... Okay, those could be funny. What about these guys? Yeah, you know what? We're just gonna do these guys here. So where did we have our membership stuff? Yeah, membership art. Okay, I have attached to you the membership art that will be used. You have to upload these. You could do like a little bit of cropping or whatever, I don't know, but use these as separate individual little art things that people can use. I don't know if it even pasted. Yeah, it says pasting and then just disappears. Oh well. How will you control costs and the production is live? Decouple the product from AI. So it's people's, like, it's bring your own subscription. So you tag your own subscription into it and it runs like a bridge through like a CLI like emulator type beat. So it's literally your own subscriptions. The only cost that I have on this, those questions take hours to answer. You just ask 6 heavy loaded questions, 1 YouTube comment. Oh, is this Fleur? Yeah, I was just about to give up after that first one. How you finance the package, he said. Sarge, Nick is going all in on CoLateral being that risky. Frickin' rights, baby. Frickin' rights, baby. Okay, did it pull up my push-up counter? That is the question. That is the question. Oh, it is live. Hold on, guys. Hold on, it's coming. Gosh, it's just Claude is cooking away so much on this computer that this is like the 20th time I've signed in to the App Store. Because I swear it like times out like in 2 minutes. Oh, it did do the screenshots. Okay, it did read it. That's fine. Perfect. All right. Tappity games. Okay, now it's continuing. There we go. There we go. Shouldn't be a focus. Literally, maybe a few hundred lines of code. It's not dependent on anything. Actual interface. Let's go. Guys, happy to see 37 concurrent viewers in here. Make sure you guys like the stream if you haven't already. I don't know how close we are to 50 likes, but would be happy to see that. Okay. Yeah, we got half an hour left to stream, guys. Just gonna text. Gonna go see Brooke tonight. It's gonna be lovely. Half an hour. All right. Let's get back to it. Okay, CoLateral still flying away. That's fine. Windows AD for sure. And then we're gonna shift to CoLateral. Once we get CoLateral nice and spicy for us. L on the music here, guys. I don't want any sad songs. Volume 5 ain't it. There we go. Microdose, this is called. There we go. We're back. All right. Okay. What happened here? It's just 9 minutes of Oh, that will take a little bit. Okay. Guys, the freaking AI music, come on. It's saying ad block is the reason it couldn't make Suno bops. Are you kidding me? How much have I spent on AI credits? About like $19,000 Canadian. Dude, like, it's coming up with every excuse in the book why it can't make Suno bops for me. Well, you have ad block on. Bro, you barely signed in. You're probably on my work computer, Claude. Cloud. Okay, you can go ahead and pause ad block. I'm not, like, stop coming up with excuses for not making AI music for me. Go and do it. Gosh, this has been the most frustrating thing ever. Holy crap, and Whisperflow just took a crap on my computer. This is for not making AI music for me. Go and do it. No, I literally complained. Stop coming up with excuses. Stop coming up with excuses. Just do it. I was joking about the $19,000, by the way. I just have subscriptions. It only caught coming up with excuses. Like, do I have to wait 20 seconds now for Whisperflow to just like pick up the pace? Yeah, technically, like, CoLateral is gonna be somewhat of an AD. Like that's what I mean. Everyone and their mother's making an ADE, which I think is not bad. Like, it's just, yes, they will be saturated, but it's just like a matter of how can your ADE be better than others? Like, wrap it up nicely for typical regular people to use it. Simple as that. Like, business owners will go crazy for the idea of AI. So can you simplify your ADE for their use case? That's what it's going to come down to. Everyone who vibe codes, frankly, it's going to become harder and harder to sell your ADE to vibe coders, because vibe coders are going to make, like, they know how it's built. Whereas going to like engineers, they have no clue what ADE even stands for. Okay, so actually we got an update here on CoLateral. So this is where it's like supposed to come up with a command center. I actually hate this scroll. Okay, so this is kind of where it comes up with that to-do list. Except obviously this is just a ton of words. Oh, what happened to my music? Get back. Suno's working. There we go. Volume 5. Okay. This is way too complicated. What's happened to my music? Is my computer that garbage? That was literally just lagging, I guess. Okay, this is nice. Like, we do have a prompt elsewhere cooking away on that, so. Yeah, that looks like garbage. Rebuild, refresh. Yeah, not sure what to think of it. And it couldn't reach it. Okay, I gotta make a quick prompt. So, like, I hate that scroll, like this, because the whole point is that it's an infinite canvas, so you should be able to like go around anywhere. That's what I want. I don't want control to be like how you zoom in. Anyways, we'll fix that up, guys. We'll fix that up. This is awesome. Command center inside of CoLateral. Yeah, so the goal is like that will just basically be your to-do list. Everything will revolve around that. That tool should be like the biggest thing they should have in the center, and then you have your agents actually like splitting off doing those tasks, opening up those structural engineering cards, etc. Okay, so command center card reads not connected. Yes, so it reads not connected to Hermes, and also it's actually disgusting how much text there is. It is not appealing to look at all. In a separate thing, I did have it where the UI is going to be reviewed on this Hermes command center. Frankly, we actually don't even have Hermes set up. So we just need this to like serve as a dashboard that better works for our workflow. So I don't know, like if that's the case, like literally you have to set up this Hermes agent right inside of CoLateral. Also, the card needs to be much bigger. It needs to basically be like the center of what all of CoLateral is working around. This needs to be like literally in the middle of CoLateral, I can imagine this, and then you would orchestrate like doing each of those tasks, and that would branch off and show like the sub-agent terminals opening up tool cards and accomplishing that task. Like each task thing literally is like stemming and accomplishing each and every single one of those. I'm kind of rambling right here, but I need you to just fix how this looks disgusting, as well as, yeah, connect to Hermes. And Whisper Flow will take 10 seconds to snipe that. Okay, there we go. We've been slowing down here. What we making, King? How are ya? Love to see the positivity, Red Bar. Keep it up. You'll go really far in life with that. Will you need subcontractors, or will you do all the through vibe coding? Will you do some coding yourself? Wow, you love asking these questions, like so many at once here. The goal is to really do it all by myself, but then eventually when it comes to like, if we want to way later down the road, like a next year problem, like if we want to expand to different kinds of engineers, yeah, I would expand to reach out to other folks. When is the revenue spike? It's gonna come soon. I've never seen a badder coder. Love to hear that vocabulary being used. Y'all freaking know it, baby. Oh, we're getting raided right now. Keep it coming, guys. Remember, all press is good press, so I love the attention. Tell me what the app, when the app is back up. Oh, did it crash? Oh no. What happened here? Fix both faults. Oh, what's the problem here? What's the problem? Yeah, just tell me when that app is back up, please. 100. Oh, we got 10,000% faith. I do too, man. I do too. Do you guys work with Replit? I personally don't use Replit, but I've seen great things come out of it. So I gotta keep my eye on it for sure. What happened here? Watcher armed. Pulse. Uh-oh, my music's lagging again. My internet's stinky, eh? Merely hyping us up. I really think doing pure software vibing, not to be negative, but I really believe that a model half domain work and half software is less risky. Here we go. All right. Yeah, for some reason, I gotta keep pulling this up for the music to keep playing. Interesting. How's our AI music doing? Still working away. That is completely fine. Miscellaneous here. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, we gotta take a look at this YouTube membership thing. Because guys, we are monetized. Let's take a look here. Okay, finally. Okay, I found it. Getting our stuff monetized. All right, we got the images are in. Oh, member art in. It wants me to put it in there? Okay. Oh, because I just pasted it. Whoops. Where is member art in? Where are you? All right. Why did ChatGPT pull up there? Interesting. All right. Let's keep it going. Where is community art in? Users Nick 21. All right. Why am I doing this manually? Why am I doing this manually? I'm a sucker. I don't know why. Come on, paste that. All right. Send that in. Where the heck is it? Where's the folder? Give it to me. Come on. Paste it. Oh, forgot to delete that period. There we go. It's literally not even in there. Under pictures. Okay, you need to make this folder, and I'm literally just gonna have like the two images. Or here, I will literally just point to the folder that you gotta do it from. There we go. That's how you do it. Sorry, just slicing through here. All right. Code Bam says it best. Absolutely no fighting. Y'all behave. Calm down, everybody. All right, there we go. We got our membership art finally going. There we go. Okay, go from there and input the membership art from there. You'll see like it's a grid of the different emotes and everything, so make sure those are separated. All right, what's going on here, y'all? No, I love the positivity you guys are giving, so keep it up. Keep it up. Diagnose tests. Okay. Oh, nice. I just did a hey to that. You know what? Let's just say hey to Grok. Why not? Okay, this hasn't really shown much. Oh, it's hung. You seem to be stuck, bud. You need any help here? You got to keep going. Love to see it. All right. Scared of the chat? Yeah, shaking. Where's my Nightbot for cases like this? All right. CoLateral still waiting in the trenches here. This has been an hour and a half nearly. So this is working on update permission for admin. Oh, this is what we started off with, to be honest. Hey, take a look. Yeah, oh, that was the update. Yeah, yikes. Bad problem we've had. And then agentic platform with expansion packs. That one, yeah, we'll definitely have to wait on. And then 8 minutes here. All right. Walk me through the nicer car. Yeah, walk me through it. Walk me through it. Why not? Oh, picking tool. Oh, I just did something on Whisperflow that I had no clue was a feature. Did y'all know this was a thing? Did y'all know this was something? I don't even know what it did, but cheers. Keep going until it's up and the runs are booked. But yeah, walk me through the carousels. I'd love to see them, please. All right. Yeah, we're not going to tolerate this in chat, so we're just going to get rid of these. If you're going to threaten to find my address, yeah, have fun. Come again with 9 more spam accounts, please. All right. Yeah, guys, we're not going to tolerate that. If you're going to threaten something like that, you're out. Yeah, and congrats. Google searches don't get you too far in life either. All right, let's get back to it, guys. So, Capital Command Center, guys, by the way, our car yaps, oh my word. Like, there was a problem that I had, by the way, guys. Yeah, no, I blocked all those guys, don't worry. Okay, take a look at this. Actually you can't because I deleted it all. Okay, so when I was uploading a bunch of shorts onto my channel, it like duplicated a bunch of them. And that was a problem. So now I actually can't even upload today's car app because the number of videos that I did. All right, well, we got one more guy. I got a ban here. There we go. Keep them coming, guys. Okay, so yeah, we accidentally uploaded so many shorts that I couldn't even upload today's car app. As a result, I couldn't even upload it. And I gotta wait till tomorrow. So I'm sorry, guys. You're gonna have to wait. All is well. But I gotta make sure that we have it where we can make sure that there's no more duplicates. I did that today at work. But I don't know if it went through because that was just like a web Claude code case. So let's see. Poop gang. Fleur says, I'm actually very positive. I hope Nick has success. Thank you. But like say lovable success in AI vibe coding. I think it's important to know the business even with vibing. Yeah, you got to be smart. You got to know exactly what you're doing. Yeah, no, I don't mind criticism, guys. It's just like when you threaten to dox somebody, you're gone. And if you're gonna chirp anyone in the chat, like you're also gone. Like you can call me ugly, I don't care. I don't care. My girlfriend calls me that all the time. All right. Yeah, like we said, we're kind of waiting here. Oh, speaking of lovely girlfriend. Want to come for 9. Yes, I will, Brooke. There we go. Thank you, Merely. Oh, yeah. Okay. What is next here? Get the license pack claim, so expansion pack and actually, of course. A claim. License pack claim. Okay, so now we can actually do the differentiation here. The pricing, seat drops. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, proceed with that next prompt. I like what we see here, baby. Behave, chat. Behave. We're up and at it. We are alive. Diagnose, test, review, study hall, artifact. All right. How's our AI music going? Oh no, did it do it? No, it literally wants me to top up Foul AI. Come on. Come on. All right, what's this saying here? Generate Suno yourself. You know what? Suno is one of those weird things. Like, you got to just keep poking the bear. I don't know. Oh, see, we have all these songs. Like, we're on Suno here, guys. I'm not too sure. Let me see. Okay, you got, like, you're already in Suno. I know you were literally just a couple clicks away from generating songs, so please proceed. All right. And then, yeah, this is going to look through our different... Oh, but these better not be the new ones. This is an artifact. But like we said, these shouldn't be white. These should have... It says 0 illustrated. That's a problem. Ruh-roh. I would not dare to stream. Public life is hard, but never forget to have strategy in what you do and be structured. Software has endless opportunities, and vibe coding is only half the game. Strat's the other 50%. Yeah. It's tough. It's a tough life. Does Suno not have API? No, like, you get in trouble with it. The man vibe. Yeah, let the man vibe. Let me vibe. Yeah, so we ran into like a little... This has just been stuck for a little bit here. Ruh-roh. Oh yeah, we said hey. This just said, hey, I'm here. All right. Dun, 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 dun. Through web doxing. Well, yeah, no one's doxing. It's just a clear Google search. Children love attention. Don't we all, though? Don't we all? Why do you think I'm live streaming? All right. Slide front stack. Fix the long form analytics so the runs can finish. But then also, I see that you made the the carousels, but there's nothing illustrated. You were supposed to take screenshots of like random points in it. So we have to go through with this. "45 years old, never too late to get started, my man. Start today, baby. Start today." Keep her grinding. Ever thought about just giving up? A couple times, honestly. A couple times here and there. It's like, what am I doing this for? Should I just run away? But no, I got way too much passion in this, and I have a blast, guys. So I ain't going nowhere. And just like that, Fontaine, you are gone. Sean Scott is 76 years old, guys, starting his vibe coding journey. Keep it coming. Yo, ChatGPT, make my love me again. Yeah, that is the goal. There's always a prompt for that, isn't there? Kyle, what's going on? I was wondering where you were this whole time. How are you, my man? Kyle, like, we have grown so much since I last saw you, man. Just so you guys know, Kyle in our chat was literally here in the dark ages when we had 5 subscribers and I had maybe 1 watcher. It was Kyle, and he is back at it again. So back. Everyone go check out Sean Scott. I think he's done streaming for tonight, but go check him out during the day. He's got some cool live streams to check out, y'all. All right, I'm gonna do some push-ups here because we're due for a little bit, aren't we? Aren't we, guys? Come on. Just like that. Kyle is the OG, guys. W's in the chat for Kyle. Seriously, been like literally day 1. Not day 1, actually. He came like day 5 or something like that. But insane. Yeah, this is, come on, step into frame. Oh, it's not even connecting. I keep having this problem. Connect to my, not camo, life cam. There we go. Let's go. We are so back. I'm not Mike. 135. How are you, my man? What, we're gonna do another whole docs thing, man? If you're gonna do that, you came to the wrong place. All right, let's do some push-ups, y'all. Let's get active. I ain't scared. Oh, that won't pick up there. All right, that's fine. We can do it from here. All right. Let's do it. Oh, I don't hear any sounds now.
Bill.
Oh.
Skill issue.
Let's go.
Goat with the sauce.
Oh, it's not picking up anymore. Frick. Oh, well. Oh, well. And our music just ran out, too. Good timing, y'all. All right. Let's get another couple bops in here. Sorry, guys. My computer's freezing up now. Where is my super suit? There we go. All right, back to volume 5 here. Yeah, don't worry. We blocked them. How's the app going? we have launched the beta of CoLateral for people to play around with it. We have been making some big changes, Kyle. Huge things coming up, so I'm super excited to have that literally ready to go up and at it. Yeah, no, they won't. That's the joy of getting big, guys. You just see a lot more hate. Or people threatening for some reason, so. Either way, the goal is you just don't give them attention. That's what they just want, right? So. Like, this is madness. Who cares this much? Who literally cares this much about trying to be funny on a guy's stream? And by the way, like, that's not true. Like, what they say about, oh, I called your office. No, they didn't. No. All right. Simplification pass, beautiful. Yeah, I'm just, I'm not looking at chat too much because we were just dialed in for a second, but I'm just blocking them. Yeah, hold on. I got it. Because I had Nightbot. That's funny. The one time, guys, the one time I literally say to Nightbot, it's like, hey, stop being such a fascist. And then I get like a bunch of people in my stream just throwing threats. And it's like Nightbot's just, chill. Okay, so we'll bring back Nightbot. Why not? Why not? Any birds? What's the madness here? And no, that's not my address, so keep it going, man. Like, congrats. A good Google search there will get you far. All right. I literally can't get this going anymore. Do I have them all? Yeah, but none of them are here today. We got no one here. I don't hate you. Thank you. Number one fan. Might be... Kyle was the number one. I'll tell you that. All right. Yeah, that Claude session's not doing it for me. No, I don't think so. Merely I don't mind making you a mod, to be honest. Sean Scott, number 2, baby. Let's freaking go. Okay, Merely, since you've been such a dedicated viewer of the streams here, guys, I might have an announcement to make for y'all. I seem to be dropping frames. It says it's okay for now, but I'll keep that in mind. Up to 49 concurrent viewers right now. Let's freaking go. All right. Barack Obama, what's going on? All right. Cooking away. Oh yeah, and this stream is not meant for kids. Always got to say that when we're doing it here. All right, guys. Got a big announcement to make, just logging on to my own stream here. As cool people do. Oh, it's so slow. Anyways, guys, I have a huge announcement to make. As you can see, number 3, biggest fan. Guys, please give it up for your latest and greatest new moderator of Nick Van de Wettering's live streams. Please give it up for Merely FG, baby! Add as moderator, managing moderator, there you go. And just like that, baby. Oh, just like that, new moderator in town. Rose browsers. I know, I got all these tabs. I'm also like too lazy to close them too, because I'm like, Claude's probably cooking in them, so let it be. I should grab my light because it's getting dark, but look at that. Looks good on you. Looks good. Behave yourselves, you know it. Oh yeah. And guys, I only see 28 likes on this stream. I know, I was trying, we could try to get to 50. I won't be off stream until probably another 30-ish minutes. So we'll buy us that extra time. We'll keep playing around with the tools. All shall be well. Let's see, nice card decks. Oh, this is working way too quick. I mean, something's up here. Did I end up eating toilet paper? I sure did. Mind you, it was only 1 ply, and mind you, it was like half of 1 piece. So it's kind of cheating, but yes, we did. Whew! No, Northern Lights. I have seen one time in Sherbrooke, Quebec. So we have seen that, yes. Okay, I haven't actually seen the updated cards here. Let's take a look at those. Show them to me. There we go. Eating toilet paper is crazy. Yeah, it was bonkers. You missed it, my man. You absolutely missed it. Keep it up, the positivity. You know how it is. All right. Holy smokes. We did get an upgrade to our dashboard here. So it shows like our calendar view. This looks a little complicated still, but I like how this shows like the number and priority, then follow all these. Need to, checkouts. This is like the typical, like that glowing light and everything. That is typical of what's shown up here in like these like AI generated first prompts, but it's a start. It's somewhere. Okay, yeah, this is now just prompting every 2 seconds here. Where can we, oh, it was an artifact. Okay, you were giving these to me in artifacts. I need you to ensure that these are actually uploading in the Capital Command Center for me, baby. Oh, I want to see how that membership art came out. Yeah, this has been stuck. That's not good at all. Yeah, we'll close that. Would you call engineering shops use your network to sell the apps? Yeah, 100% would. Yeah, like it's going to be a mix of, yeah, like marketing, everything, and like on X and on YouTube, etc. But then also it is going to be a big matter of having to like do some real in-person connections. So yeah. All right. You seem to be hung up on something, like we said. Oh, my whisper flow is just getting mogged right now. So the ice bucket will just be one ice cube? Yeah, because I cheated on the toilet paper one. No, I'll make it a real ice bucket. I could get real ice going. Okay, I interrupted you because you got hung up on Hermes. Perhaps Hermes isn't the way of doing it. So can you proceed in, I don't know, is there a better way in which we could have just like a main Claude orchestration agent doing all this? Holy crap, Whisperflow is sucking right now. Y'all see that? Would be cold. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she cold. Holy crap, it did the Suno tracks? Can you verify to me if you did the Suno tracks? If that's the case, like schedule upload the next Nick Bob's track for me, please. Yeah, separate your stream, and I don't have 2 different PCs though. Could make it in my budget. Like, we are taking this seriously. We are monetized on YouTube. Like, streaming's the real deal now. I was 21 when I saw Ice Cube live in Lollapalooza, 1996. Let's freaking go, baby. What a time to be alive. All right, what did I just do here? I just gotta make sure it's some, Okay, yeah, so we're still waiting on a lot of those guys. Mattson says, nah, don't use a laptop. Keep the PC as your main. Do all your work on a remote machine. Yeah, good point. Like a mini PC. Like a Mac Mini, if you can ever get a hold of those ever again. Okay, yeah, it told me, oh, we updated your slides here. It did not do a single screenshot. That seems like that should be an easy thing. Like, grab screenshots. Like, it did it for these, okay. These could be better though, for sure. Just grab them of my face. I don't care. Throw them up there. Huck them up there, baby. Tom, what's going on? Let's go. Good to see you. Good to see you. All right. Mostly JavaScript we're seeing, but a lot of HTML stuff. All right, finally some CoLateral things bouncing back. Are you kidding? Now Nightbot is back, eh? Nightbot's stepping in, eh? A lot of Mac users getting Linux machines just to run agents. Interesting. Interesting. Just waking up, baby. Good to see you, Tom. Remember, guys, if you haven't already, like the stream. We're going for a 50 like goal. Oh my word, guys. Guys, look what we got here. Look what we got. So there's loyalty badges. Okay, cool. Are these, we could change those to be something cooler, eh? I'm gonna have that update where it's just like the default one. TypeScript, but pretty much the same thing. Yeah. Yeah, sorry, it is TypeScript. Drawn marks, ship, push-ups. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's kind of cool, guys. These emotes and everything. Okay, I see they're uploaded and they're launched. I would say maybe what we could do... Whisperflow, snipe. Come on, Whisperflow, come on. Do I have a coding background? I don't. Structural engineering. I don't. Other than like one high school course where we did a little bit of Python and then one course in university. Pretty generic. Like, again, just Java, not JavaScript. Oh goodness, my computer's lagging here. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, the emotes are great. This is ridiculous. Look. The emotes are great. I think we should proceed with them. So actually implement this onto YouTube for me, please. Look, they're great. I think we should proceed with them. It's on YouTube for me, please. Yeah, Whisperflow's dying on me right now today. Da, da, da. What do you spend on Claude Code API usage per month? About $14,000 a year. Lo Sigami says, I told you Birdmine wanted to quit. No tweets since the 8th. No stream in a while. His Discord support tickets not answered last 4 days. No word from him. I hope he's okay, because, yeah, we haven't heard from him for a little bit, so hope he's doing well. All the best to him. Okay. Merge domain. What's the matter with this? Yeah, I think we're okay there. And then we're not going to do that model art. It's clear. It, like, yeah, it's only been a couple days. Like, it's Tuesday, guys. So, like, I mean, I took, like, 2 days off last week. Well, more. If you count the weekends, more. So, he's probably just taking a break, but I'm surprised, like, we didn't hear any announcement from it or anything. You have pending Windows updates. I know it sounds weird, but Windows loves to bug out. Yeah, honestly, like, I have to... If I just keep my PC on, like, things go to crap. Like, I gotta, like, reset it, make sure it's all up to date. So I'm gonna do that before I sign off tonight. So thank you, Matsen. Yeah, I am curious what's going on. He will come back. He's not done. He's literally just a few subscribers away from 100,000. He's definitely not giving up. Give your computer a rest. I know, I gotta. Okay, the suite is still running. Yeah, I just gotta close so many of these tabs, guys. CoLateral. Oh yeah, my computer is just bugging out because I got 100,000 Chrome tabs. Kyle says, great music. Kyle, we made this music with Suno. Literally just AI generated, so we don't have to run into any issues with any copyright infringement. Oh, how's our Tip Tap games? Because we signed in. I bet anything, like, Apple disconnected once again. On an App Store Connect. Yeah, it's just, I think what you keep doing is you keep going to my my work computer or something and doing this. So can you please like open it up on the computer here? Like you're on the wrong browser. I believe you're just on the wrong browser, and this has been so hard to do, and I've been fighting you so much. Okay, Whisperflow is just dying on me, guys. With you constantly. Dun, dun. We're trying to look for our guy Lucky. Haven't been able to find him though. Not been able to find Lucky in here. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, finally we're getting some stuff working here. Finally. Da-na-na-na. What is up, everyone? Experiment and try anything to discover something. You try anything. That's the joy of vibe coding. Just try absolutely everything. Okay, build the briefing engine inside CoLateral. Command center needs no external Hermes. Yeah, proceed with that next prompt. I think, like we said, it'd be beneficial if that was just like a Claude agent, similar to like the orchestration inside of there. That was like in charge of being on top of emails and everything inside of there. Yeah, this has been slow. Guys, some of the music here is just like truly epic. It's unbelievable. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, and see, it just like snipes a bunch of dash lines there. Come on. Uh-oh. We're gonna get a white screen, guys. Not with this music. Not with this music. And guys, sorry the lighting's a bit crap today. I forgot to bring my light over here. Yeah, everything's really slow. This ain't good. Dun, 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 dun. App Store. Yeah, we gotta add an app. Okay, we're logged into that finally. Ooh, Brooke is. That's good. Yeah, no, it literally says we're at like the best. Yeah, hold on. I can tell it's drop frames. It says it's good connection, but I'm looking at my OBS now and we got absolutely nothing working for us. And guys, I can't even click around on anything. Oh, bother. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't know. This is kind of stalling on us too. I do have to go in about 5 minutes anyways, guys, but... Oh! Yeah, pretty dark. Uh-oh. I'm gonna just try to play around with here. Yeah, there's not much I can do. Turn off the preview. Task manager. Yeah. Well, guys, I am just going to end it there. So I'm going to, check for updates. I'm just going to like make sure everything just finishes up. I do have to run. Going to go see Brooke tonight. It's going to be exciting. She leaves for about a whole week, guys. So I will be grinding away on live streaming. Don't you worry. We will be getting some more CoLateral stuff up and at it pretty soon. More shorts content and everything coming our way. Oh yeah, and then finally having that like command center manager inside CoLateral. I'm hoping that could actually just like finish up here tonight and it could be splendid. So that's gonna be that's gonna be like mwah, mwah, chef's kiss on it all. But I know, guys, I know we don't want to go, but I appreciate you guys tuning in here. We will be back tomorrow, same time, and we could probably go a bit longer. We can go till like 11 o'clock at night. But nothing like girlfriend being away to allow you to lock in until the FaceTimes begin. Well, we can call her. We'll call her on stream and everything. But just remember, 2,500 subscribers is when we can get her on the stream, y'all. So I'm going to leave it at that. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. It's been an absolute pleasure. I'm happy with the growth we're still seeing. I'm happy that y'all tuned in. We got a little bit of hate, but that just means, hey, we're making it in life, baby. So can't wait to see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much. Peace out. Yeah, go check out Nathan. He's streaming. Nathan, go live. All right. Peace out, guys.